Ooh, now. Hell is calling, hell is here. There's not a life for you to fear. Secrets, come over here. Mouse cream. I'm a bun average of everything you used to be. You're my rock of empathy, my dear. So come on, let me entertain you. So come on, let me entertain you. Life's too short for you to die, so grab yourself an alibi. Heaven knows you might have lied. Mon cher, separate your right from wrongs. Come and sing a different song. Look out, the songs you don't belong. Mon cher, so come on, let me entertain you. So come on, let me entertain you. Look me up beyond the pages, won't be all the wrong ages. Use these grounds to all the craze, mouth, yeah. Little boy people lost his sheep. Hip hop the bull to feel asleep. The Jews swept by the cross and sweet, my dear. You're on the waiting column, right to be heard. You the moderation down the law to be heard. What am I gonna make it round or right to school? You're the one that I can never make it to fool. Let me entertain you. So come on, let me entertain you. You couldn't ignore, I can only need to ride. Why'd you answer mama's time? Oh shit.